sometimes to failure. Every choice is a piece of the puzzle. Without snatching, a habit can break, a change can begin. Every memory is a piece of the story that I find inside. These are my things, with me always, in my bag or my backpack, every day and every night. My glasses to see, my clock for the time, my pen, my pencil, my paper for the struggle. The beginning has a reason, the end a result. The way in which I live, that is my secret, my path. The kind of person I am, the thoughts that I think, are the colors on the canvas on which I work with the words. These are my things, with me always, in my bag or my backpack, every day and every night. My glasses to see, my clock for the time, my pen, my pencil, my paper for the struggle. The shape of a cloud, the size of a dream, the smell of coffee, the sound of a stream. The key opens a door, but also a conversation. Every number has a place in the row of my memory pool. I grab my phone, my charging cable is ready, my wallet with money for life here and there, my book and my notebook for learning and for playing. These are the tools without much adornment or fuss. I put on my coat, my sweater, my trousers, sometimes a skirt or a dress for a different look. My socks and my shoes carry me around the world, from things to thought, from sun to ground. And so my thoughts and my belongings travel with me, from success to peace, from beginning to end, free. The luggage of existence, light and sometimes